To start using the docuWeaver document generator, you need to log into the NoCoder platform. NoCoder is a supporting application developed by Insigma, and it's the infrastructure on which the docuWeaver document generation process operates. In the docuWeaver app, click on the Doc Generator tab. Review and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. If you already have an account, you can log in directly, or you can create a new account. Enter your email address and verify your identity using the one-time password. Next, provide your first name and last name. Finally, set a password to complete your account setup. Once logged in, click Select Instance. An instance on the NoCoder platform works like an workspace, containing all your settings and configurations. If you already have an instance, you can select it. Otherwise, you'll need to create a new one. Click Create New Instance. You'll be prompted to enter a few details. Organization name is the label that will appear as the header in your workspace. Prefix is a short identifier used to namespace your records. Select the server region where your data will be securely stored. After filling in the details, click Continue. You'll see a progress screen showing each setup step. First is creating an instance on the NoCoder platform. Then setting up the workspace. After this, your user is added as a member in NoCoder. At the last, the docuWeaver app is installed on the NoCoder platform. And that's it! You're now ready to use docuWeaver for document generation.